Man, oh man, here is a fancy group of Brahman heifers. Whew, look at the rib in these girls, the hip in them. And gentle, whew, they are broke to death gentle. I mean, definitely front pasture kind, boys and girls. Those are the youngest ones too. Those are the youngest ones will be down there. Look at the hip in them. Cow makers, indeed, boys and girls. Cow, and look how gentle they are. Whew. Some good ribs for sure, for sure. Whew. No, that heifer, that V8 heifer's not coming paper sales. A great female. Nice heifers for show. Again, these really aren't for sale, but they could be bought, so I'm just throwing it out there. So, the V8 heifer, we got to keep her. We're gonna keep the V8 heifer. Other ones, again, they can be bought for enough money. Call me. Really some front pasture ladies right there. Whew, they're good.